This might be the craziest thing we've ordered in Kuala Lumpur. This is fish head curry. It's a local favorite. I've never had anything like this, and I'm trying it for the first time here today. This is a full fish head covered in curry and okra. I don't actually know how to eat this, but I'm not gonna be scared. I'm just gonna try to spoon off some meat and eat it with some rice. I scooped off some of the cheek, put it on the rice. Now I'm ready to try it. Moment of truth. Whoa, I was not expecting that. The skin from the fish is really buttery, and you've got a nice spice from the curry. It hits harder than you think. There's a lot more meat on here than you'd expect. You can get the meat on the underside. Whoa, look how much meat there is. Yeah, it's so flaky. We're gonna get some okra in there this time. I didn't know what to expect. This tastes incredible. This spoons off so easy, and you get these light pieces of fish. This looks really intimidating, but it's a lot easier just to find these pieces of meat that just come right off. And they also have the Ayam Goreng and the Sotong Goreng, which is a fried chicken and fried squid. So now I'm gonna try the squid. Let's go for it. The squid is really nice. The squid's really tender, so now I'm gonna try it with the curry. I bet this is gonna be really good with curry. There's so much flavor in the curry, it's really good on the squid. Oh, squid me. That's a juicy piece of chicken. There's some nice spices in the fry. It's really crispy. I'm gonna try it in the curry now. You have to get a piece of chicken with this. You have to. I'm just blown away by this. The fish, squid, chicken. I completely see why the locals love it. We got our favorite drink, Sirap Bandung, so I've got to try it with that too. Classic. The meat of the fish is really good, but we saw online that you can eat things like the eyes and lips, so I'm gonna try that too. Oh, there's the eye. Might as well try it. It's good. Yeah, eye's good. We got the lip. We'll see how good the lip is. It's a little chewy, a little fatty. Tastes really good. Seems like the best way is just to go at it and just take some of the bones and pieces off as you go and put the fish meat on the rice. Some of these big pieces just slide right off. We got this little bag of crackers too, so I'm guessing we could just scoop up the curry and fish. Ooh, this is really light and crispy. That's gonna be good. This is a really thin cracker where we could just scoop up the curry and put some okra and fish on them. Yeah, it's a great way to eat this. This is so versatile. You can eat it with your hands, spoons, scoop it up. Can't go wrong with fish head. I'm convinced that the fish head is one of the best ways to eat the fish. There's a lot of meat. The bones seem kind of big and easy to remove. Can't go wrong with this. And there's so much fish meat that we were able to separate and put on this rice. This has been a really good experience. I'm so glad I tried it. We got here early too, but now it's getting like busy and packed. But if you've never tried fish head before, I definitely would come by and try it. And if you've had it before, I'd come back and get it again. And I'll see you in the next video.